Vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Valerie. I normally have a little co-hostess, but she's not been wanting to film with me lately. She's my little doggy. But anyway, her name's Violet. So welcome everybody. So today, guys, I am going to be talking to you a little bit about Sentsy. And I am an independent Sentsy consultant, if you do not know that. And yeah, they've got so much good stuff coming up, guys. So I wanted to get on here and let you know about a few of the things. And as you can tell by the title and everything, we're going to be talking about the Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas products that are coming back. Okay, guys, so these are previous items that were already released, and now they're coming back. They are also going to be having a new collection coming out, but that's not going to be until the holiday collection is released, from what I understand. So I don't know when that's going to be, though. I don't know when they normally or typically release those items. Okay, guys, this is my first year being a Sentsy consultant, so I'm learning as I go. All right, and forgive me, I don't have any makeup on. I did a shower today, but I've got to go to work tonight, so I'm going to be going to sleep here shortly. And I've just been kind of, doing little things here and there at the house, since I do have to go back to work tonight. And I don't like to put makeup on and then have to take it off and then get up and go to work and so forth. So I hope it's not too bad for you. Anyway, let's go. All right, so returning Disney's Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas products. They are going to be released starting between 9:30 and 10:30 a.m. Pacific time, Monday, August 22nd, which my time is Eastern, so I think it's 9:30, 12:30 to 1:30 Eastern time. And if you're in a different time zone, guys, you'll just have to go online and find out what that is, the difference is. They have like time zone converters that you can go on and check out, okay? It also says that the queuing or queuing system will be in place, which means, if you've never done that before with Sentsy, which means once you get on the website, when they start like uploading, like changing everything over, the website kind of goes down and you'll get like a white or gray screen. Just stay there though, okay? Just stay there, because they're going to take it down and then they're going to bring it back up. And when they bring it back up, it's going to be like you're in line to get into shop, okay? So stay there, and then it'll ask you, do you want to be in line to shop, basically, and just say yes. And then it'll give you a estimated time, but the estimated time is always faster than what it says. So just stay tuned or stay there, okay? Because it does go a lot faster than what it seems like. And I don't know if anybody of you know, but the Scooby-Doo collection sold out like really, really fast. Like within the first hour, it was like a lot of it was sold out. So you want to get, if you really want this Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas, make sure you get there maybe even a little earlier and get what you want, because it may sell out, it may not sell out. I don't know, but we never know about those, okay? But like, Scooby-Doo really did sell out. They even brought back some, so you could come back and like do a pre-order for only a few days though. So, okay, so this is going to be at my workstation, so my personal website. So that will be listed in the comments, not the comments, the description box below. It's always there. So just click on that and that'll take you right there to my website. And then that's where everything will take place, okay? I believe the Disney's Tim Burton's The Night Before Christmas, I think it's under collections right now. Sometimes when it goes on sale on Go Live, though, sometimes they move it to the main page. But if you can't find it on the main page, then just go to menu and then collections, and it should be there for you. It's already there. It's just not, you can't purchase it yet. It says coming soon. So if you want to preview any of the items, you can go there and check it out. All right. So let's see. It says here, this is what Sentsy says. If you or your customers missed out on our popular Disney, Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas products the last time around, you're getting another chance. We're bringing a bunch of our fan favorite selections out of the vault beginning August 22nd, including warmers, buddies, fragrances, and more. But only while supplies last. All right? So, plus, as an icing on the cake, each of our 3 The Nightmare Before Christmas Sentsy bars features 4 collectible labels that will ship at random, including 2 ultra-exclusive specialty holographic labels that will ship with small percentage of orders. That means the more your customers stock up, the better their chances of collecting them all. So keep that in mind if you're interested in those labels. There you go. Okay, so what's going to be available is going to be, and I'm going to try to insert some pictures like here. If I don't get them here, I'll put them at the end. So I'm still new to editing some of that kind of stuff, guys, so bear with me. So what's going to be on sale is the Oogie Boogie's Casino. It is the Sentsy Warmer and 1 free The Nightmare Before Christmas Sentsy Bar. And the fragrance will vary. And that is for $35. So it's on sale. All the stuff's going to be on sale the night before Christmas. So that's a pretty good price. I don't know what the original price on the Oogie Boogie's Casino Warmer was, but I'm not sure what that original price is, but it is now going to be $35. So that's going to make it even more probably flying out of there, you know. So you want to get out there as soon as possible to order. Okay, the second item is Oogie Boogie Sentsy Buddy plus the Nightmare Before Christmas Roll of the Dice set pack and a free The Mayor Sentsy Buddy Clip for $25. That's a good price. It's a really good price. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out. Like I said, I'll try to be putting some pictures up here. And then you're going to get, also they have the Locks, Shock, and Barrel Sentsy Mini Warmer for $12. That's good. Normally the mini warmers are like, the normal ones are like $25, and I think like the licensed ones are normally like $40. So that's a really good price. So Lock, Shock, and Barrel Sentsy Mini Warmer for $12. Also going to have the Jack Skellington Pumpkin King Sentsy Mini Warmer for $12 as well. Jack Skellington Sentsy Buddy and the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack's Obsession Scent Pack plus free The Mayor Sentsy Buddy Clip for $25. Sally Sentsy Buddy, the Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween Town Scent Pack and free The Mayor Sentsy Buddy Clip for $25. So evidently the Mayor Sentsy Buddy Clip is going to be free in some of these packages. So that's an awesome deal, guys. Zero Sentsy Buddy and the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack's Obsession Scent Pack and free The Mayor Sentsy Buddy Clip for $25. Alright, the Nightmare Before Christmas Roll of the Dice Scent Pack, $7.50. The Nightmare Before Christmas Jack's Obsession Scent Pack, $7.50. The Nightmare Before Christmas Jack's Obsession Sentsy Bar, $6.50. The Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween Town Sentsy Bar, $6.50. And the Nightmare Before Christmas Roll of the Dice Sentsy Bar, $6.50. Okay, so okay, also, they said, please note that due to its unique design, the Lock, Shock, and Barrel Sentsy Mini Warmer does not fit on the Mini Warmer tabletop base. So if you plan on putting that specific Mini Warmer on a base, it's not going to fit, okay? I just want to let you guys know that up front. It says there's no replacement for the light up nose featured on the Zero Sentsy Buddy, okay? All Disney Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas products will be available while supplies last, starting between 9:30 and 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time, Monday, August 22nd, which I said it would be 12:30 or 1:30 Eastern Time. Let's see. And then starting August 22nd, the Nightmare Before Christmas Sensi bars can be added individually to Sensi Club within 30 days after launch, or as long as the fragrances are available beyond that date. Okay, so you'll also be able to put that into your Sensi Club, the bars, all right? So if you like, for me, I wasn't involved with Sensi, so I don't know. I've heard nothing but about Jack's Obsession. Oh, that bar smells so good. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. And so many people have it in their club. And I wasn't around when that was here last time. So I'm going to get a second chance to try it out. So on August 22nd, Monday, that's going to my club automatically right away. And I'm probably going to order some bars anyway of that too on top of that. But just in case I like it, I'm throwing them in my club. So that's another good thing about your clubs that you can do. All right. Also says individual bars can be added to 3-packs or 6-packs of licensed Sensi bars. So you can 3-pack them or 6-pack them under the licensed bars. Okay, guys? So that's another little option to save some money. All right. So that is all I have to talk to you about pertaining to the Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas products. I also want to let you know they are like reloading the clearance section on my website on Monday, August 22nd as well. So they're going to be like a lot more clearance items in there. So you might want to check out the clearance section as well. What's in there now, I already know this, I've seen these in there, is a licensed wall fan diffuser sale. Okay. This discounted bundles of select licensed wall fan diffusers and Sensi pods coming August 22nd. That's also going to be the same time as launch for Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. It'll be in the clearance section of my personal website. Let's see, the cost is $17 per bundle. Okay, they're celebrating fans of iconic Disney and Marvel characters. We're bundling licensed wall fan diffusers with select licensed Sensi Pod twin packs for huge savings. The sale starts August 22nd while supplies allocated for this promotion last. Here's everything you need to know. Licensed wall fan diffuser bundles are $17 each. That's pretty good. So that's going to include like a Disney Mickey Mouse Sensi wall fan diffuser and a Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends Sensi Pod twin pack. So you're going to get a fan diffuser and you're going to get one twin pack of pods, which that's pretty decent. Because normally the twin pack of pods are normally the licensed one. I think they're $12. So for $5 more, you're going to get the diffuser too. They also have the Disney Minnie Mouse Sensi Wall Fan Diffuser, plus a Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends Sensi Pod Twin Pack. They're going to have the Disney Princess Sensi Wall Fan Diffuser with Belle, Ariel, or Cinderella. And Disney Princess True Level Weights Sensi Pod Twin Pack. Or the Disney Princess Sensi Wall Fan Diffuser with Tiana, Mulan, and Rapunzel. And that comes also with the Disney Princess True Level Weights Sensi Pod Twin Pack. I love that True Level Weights. I have the bars and I love them. Also the Spider-Man Sensi Wall Fan Diffuser, plus the Marvel 9 Realms Sensi Pod Twin Pack. Okay. Details about that going on. Okay. So a lot of savings stuff coming up, guys. So don't miss out. Monday is a good day. You want to get on my website on Monday the 22nd between 12:30 and 1:30. Be a little early. That way you're there and you're ready to go. I don't think I've mentioned this one either, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and mention this. Sensi right now is having a, it's called Your Magic Moment Sweepstakes. And what that is you guys are eligible to enter on my personal website to win a free trip for 4 to Disney World. So here's what it says here. During Sentsy Family Reunion in June, we announced Sentsy's Your Magic Moment Sweepstakes, our first ever sweepstakes developed through our alliance with Walt Disney World Resort. It's available for residents in the U.S. and Canada, excluding U.S. territories and military bases, but including Quebec. And the grand prize is a dream vacation for up to 4 people to Walt Disney World Resort. This is an incredible opportunity to engage with your customers and new Disney fans alike. And best of all, if your customer wins the grand prize, you will win too. So if somebody wins off my website, then I win the trip too, which is fun. Okay, so let's see. It went live August 1st. I'm sorry, I'm just not getting around to telling you guys about it. It's going to end September 15th. All right, so there's no purchase necessary to enter. You must be 18 or older. It ends 9/15, and you may want to see the rules for all the details. And I will try to find that link and put it down below. If not, go to when you go to my website, it is listed on there, and there's also a link there that you can go to and check out the frequently asked questions and the official rules. Okay, guys? So I think that's it. I'm looking to make sure. I got everything printed out. I bought me a printer, and I figured out how I can hook my phone up to my laptop to my printer, and my laptop to my printer, so I can use it to print things out, so it's a lot easier for me. So that's all I have for you guys today. So lots of fun stuff going on. Make sure you don't miss out, especially if you are the Nightmare Before Christmas fan. So that's going on, and you just want to make sure that you're always stay tuned to my channel. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave and click the notification bell so you're notified of all my new uploaded videos. And I was looking at my analytics on here on YouTube, and a lot of people that view most of my views are people who are not subscribed to my channel. So if you're viewing my channel on a regular basis, or even a couple times, make sure you subscribe, because that does help my channel grow, and it also helps with getting my viewership up. And when that happens, we can do more fun stuff here, guys. So thank you all so much for those of you who are already subscribed. I love you guys also very, very much, and I hope everyone's doing well. And I'm so excited about all this new stuff that Sentsy's going on and on, coming out with. And there is more stuff that I have not announced yet, but I decided I'm going to break this up into a couple different videos so that I don't overwhelm you guys too much. So I'm going to get off of here. You guys have a great, great weekend, and I love you guys so very, very much. You guys just take care. Bye-bye.